get the riff. It's just something you gotta say something. You want a snort, Steve? A toot? It's going round. When I fell upon my arse, no one seemed to notice. I was wearing mother's bra, and she was wearing Otis, but no one seemed to care. Over there, they didn't have the bus, didn't have the bus, didn't have the bus. Yeah. And then later on, a distant relative passed away. So distant I didn't even notice that I had to go to the funeral just to see if they left any gold in their teeth or any jewelry. So I say, never trust a bugger with your mother. She'll always wear you out and say, anything on paper ain't worth it. But I like the suit just this way. Ah, gee, it's been such a long time. When I look at Jack Lemmon, again, I feel it coming all over me. Yeah, I just gotta say it. Brooklyn Bridge, San Francisco Boots, Elementary, Boston Strangler. It's so wonderful to be waiting for my green card with thee. I would never doubt it, but I have to shout it. Chicago, Chicago's one of down, on the town. Solo, play it, man. I'd like to change the tempo a little, man. Don't play it here, don't play it here. Don't play it here, man. Okay, you get somebody's gonna be bossy, right? Understand why you're sitting right on top of me. I've done entertainment, 20 studios on these jam sessions. Yeah, it's just we have a jam, nobody knows when to change. You do a 12 bar, or somebody picks a song. Anybody can sing. No, something. Okay. Anybody know? Did do you want to dance for 3 fucking sessions? Who knows it? You did it, beautiful. That's all I know. See what I mean? I want alcohol. song that we all know, Please Take Over. I've been screaming it for hours. It's got to be something dumb around about 50s or no later than 63 or we ain't going to know it. Who's got a mic besides me? Come on, somebody join in.
Hey!
Okay. Yeah, hey. What is it? Music again.
Please don't leave me alone.
is a little better if we think it's a song, right? And somebody turn me vocal mic down. Give Stevie a vocal mic. And where's all that drink they always have in this place? Hi, this is Santo. We like to change it. Okay. Nightmares, my love. Every night, nightmare. Never go. When I saw me standing there, I said, gee, is that me? Come on, let's do something. Come on. Somebody give me an E or a snort. G. Let's do a 12-part harmony, just stand by me. You get it? Okay. Let's not get too serious. We're not getting paid. We ain't doing nothing but sitting here together. Okay, let's do that. And anybody that gets bored with me, take over. Two. When the night has come, the land is dark, and the moon is the only thing we see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't. What happened to the earphones? Okay, let's do it again. Hey. Right. Suddenly, hey, boys in the control room, you suddenly turn the voice off and one ear off. And if you're trying to get rid of my guitar, tell me. Just put it up. Just turn this friggin' vocal mic up again and put it all flat. And put one mic in the middle of the room and pick up everything. Come on, Steve. Hello, hello, hello. Mal, get us a drink. Two. Turn the organ down in the ear. Okay, and again. Let's go again. We had a beautiful mix in the ears about half an hour ago. There was nothing wrong with it. And now it's like we got muffles on. Anybody else getting the same thing? It changed like somebody started getting serious? Yeah. I'd sooner have more fun in here and forget about it there. It's gone all sort of dead in the earphones, you know, like dead. Look, yeah, let's not get too serious, Gary. You know? Hands up who doesn't know Stand By Me. Arm in the air. Okay. We all know it, right? Just turn the fucking vocal mic up. McCartney's doing the harmony on the drums. Stevie might get on it there if he's got a mic. All right. That's just like more vocal, treble. And another one. Still dead in the earphones. All right. Whoa, still a bad sound. Treble. Oh, yeah. Let's hear it. If you stand by me. When the night has come. I can't hear a fucking thing now. I can't hear a thing. Sorry, I'm sorry, but stop. Hey! You just keep turning my earphones off. I can't hear nothing. Just one ear's on now. Before it got serious, I could hear everything. I can't hear a fucking thing. Hello? Come on, you know, darling, stand by me. But we can't do it with no fucking voices. I can hear plenty of bass, plenty of organ, plenty of guitar. I can't hear hardly any of my voice, only in one ear. What? Can you hear me in the control room? The mic was good 2 hours ago. And they heard me shouting. They thought it was too loud, so they turned it down. So don't worry about distortion. Oh, yeah. You don't have to change something. Just put it back where it was. It's a good mic. Oh, yeah. Now the guitar's gone, thanks. When the night has come, the land is dark, and the moon is the only thing we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. Darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. Stand by me, baby. Stand by me. When the earth that we look upon to tumble and fall, and you stand by me. Darling, stand by me. Oh, you stand by me. By me. Stand by me. Darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. Darling, darling, stand. Oh, stand. Oh, stand. Stand by me. Stand by, darling, darling. Yeah. When the night has come and the land is dark, only thing you see. Oh no, no, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. 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 Stand. So long as you stand by me. Oh, darling, darling, stand.